Hi everybody, today I'd like to take a quick look at another product. This is a universal smartphone chest mount from a company by the name of Cellfy. Interestingly enough, this is made in the USA. That's something you don't see very often. This company is based in Idaho. I got this because I like to film myself fishing, and sometimes if I'm fishing by myself it's a little bit difficult to make a video. I can use a tripod, but that also presents some challenges. And so I decided to get a chest mount. Now I have experimented as well with camera glasses and head mounts, but the problem with those is the head tends to move a lot, especially when you're fishing, you're looking upstream and downstream, and you know the camera moves around too much. And so for that reason I got a chest mount, because a chest mount I assume will stay more stationary even when the head is moving around. So I purchased this from Amazon. It's a fairly inexpensive product, and it works for both a smartphone, and it also works with a GoPro and possibly other cameras as well, as long as they use a mount that is compatible with a GoPro. So with that, let's take it out of the package here and see what we have inside. Well, it looks like we got three pieces. This would be the smartphone mount itself, which we will attempt to use in a few moments. This would be the chest mount, and this would be the bracket that attaches the two together. So this slides into here. This will mount on here, and then you can adjust the camera to whatever angle you want. So next thing to do is get my smartphone, and we'll see how this all goes together. Okay, the first thing I need to do is take the bracket and snap it into the chest mount, and then I'm going to remove the thumb screw here. And now I'll put on the camera mount itself. Now we have to be sure the suction cups are facing out. And then that's where we're going to mount the smartphone. So I'm going to take the screen of the phone and put it onto the suction cups. I'm going to make sure that the buttons are on the top. Now I'm going to take this strap and put it around to secure it. Now the concern I have, and something you should check into if you're considering buying this mount, is can you run the camera of your smartphone with most of the screen blocked? Now in the case of the Moto X, I can do that. I press the button to turn it on or to wake it up, and then there's a little camera icon here, and I can just drag that down, and that brings the camera full screen. Then lastly, I can press the record button right up here in the corner, which starts the video recording. So for the Moto X, this is going to work fine, but obviously that may or may not be true for your smartphone. So with that, let's go ahead and take this out and see how the footage looks.